Replacing the battery in your 2020-2025 Ford Escape key fob is a straightforward process that requires minimal tools and can be done in just a few minutes. You'll need a CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. Avoid using metal tools to prevent scratching the fob. First, locate the seam on the key fob where the two halves meet. Gently insert the pry tool into the seam and twist to separate the halves. Be careful not to use excessive force. Once separated, carefully pry out the old battery from its holder. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side faces up as marked on the holder. Snap the two halves back together firmly, then test the key fob functions to ensure everything works properly. When replacing your key fob battery, always use a plastic pry tool or be very gentle to avoid damaging the internal circuits. Metal tools can scratch or break delicate electronic components. Ensure the CR2032 battery is oriented correctly with the positive side up as marked on the battery and circuit board. Incorrect polarity can prevent the fob from working and may damage electronics. For hybrid escape models, ensure the old battery is fully depleted before replacement to reset any low battery alerts in the vehicle's system. This prevents false warnings after installation. If the fob doesn't work after battery replacement, double-check the battery polarity. Remove and reinsert if needed, ensuring positive side faces the circuit board markings. For any fobs damaged during opening that may need reprogramming, contact a professional service. While rare, circuit damage can require dealership assistance for proper coding.